Now what?
Oh.
Oh shit. Is that the popo?
No. If it was, who gives a fuck?
Oh. I gives a fuck. I'm a big fan.
Oh, there's more ducks.
You can go make some more friends?
No. I don't like friends. Friends are like assholes.
We'll need somebody to invite to our wedding.
There ain't no wedding.
That was fat. You almost choked.
I did. We can have a make pretend wedding.
Why would we do that? A mock wedding?
Just to appease the woman?
No. This woman doesn't care about weddings.
Good.
I got married on Halloween dressed up like the Addams family. Does it sound like I care about
Do
weddings?
you think that's even remotely odd? There's millions of people that do that.
Yeah, I find that remotely odd.
That millions of people do that?
No, that anybody would do that.
Why?
If they cared about a wedding.
Why?
Because when you're a girl who cares about a wedding, you want a big white wedding in a church with all kinds of flowers and people and catering.
Oh, so that's what you want?
No, I don't want any of that.
You're just a traditional whore.
Yeah, that's what it is.
So I'm dating a traditional whore whose son is dating
All right, blah, 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 blah.